Waiting person don't know for this word plenty. Do you know that you can link your Instagram reels, that is your short video on Instagram, to show on your Facebook reel? People on Facebook will be watching your Instagram reel. Do you know you can connect that? I want to show you how to connect that in this video. How you can post a reel on Instagram and connect it with Facebook, and it will be showing on Facebook for Facebook viewers to also view it, and that way you are getting massive view on Instagram. I don't know if you have been following Vicky James, and you'll be seeing her Instagram reel showing on your Facebook reel. And when you click, you can watch it. When you want to comment, it will ask you to go to Instagram and drop your comment. That is to tell you that that video was posted on Instagram but linked to Facebook. Now, it is very easy. So you have to watch this video to get the details on how you can link your Instagram reel with Facebook, so that you can be getting these views from both sides. That sounds good, isn't it? Come on guys, this page is for growth tips. You'll be getting growth tips from this page, so you have to follow this page so that you will not miss out on any growth tip that will help you grow your social media handle as an upcoming creator. All right, that sounds good, right? Then follow this page, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and also make sure you like this video and share it to help others as well. Now let's dive in so that I can show you how to link your Instagram reel with your Facebook.
Pete Samson is here to teach you content creation for video editing, graphic design.
So guys, here I am on my Instagram to post my short video and turn on the button that will be helping to recommend this short video on Facebook. This is the shortest way you can follow to turn this button on. After you are done with your video and you are brought to where you are asked to enter your text, okay, that is where the button is. Just scroll up a bit, then you will see recommend on Facebook. Recommend on Facebook, you will see the arrow pointing it. You can see mine is off. Okay, mine is off, so I am clicking on it. Just click on it, it will bring you here. Then you can see the button there. I circle the button for you to see recommend on Facebook. Turn it on. When you click to turn it on, it will show you either to turn on for this particular reel or to turn on for all reels. It is better you turn it on for all reels, so that when you are posting your reels and you forget to turn it on, it will just go like that. So this is just the easiest way you can turn this button on, and your Instagram reel will be recommended on Facebook. It is as easy as this. So let's go to the next part of this video so that you can learn the different skills that you can use to build your social media handle. It is very, very important. So watch the next part of this video to learn that. There are a lot of skills I am going to mention that will help you build your social media handle. Let's go there. Thank you for watching. I hope that video was helpful. If it was helpful, kindly share this video to help others. Drop a thank you in the comment section, and make sure you thumbs up for me, so that you can be getting more and more growth tips that will help you grow your social media handle. I remain Pete Samson. If you're interested to join my Creative Skills Academy, you are very much free, but it is not free. You have to pay a tokens to join my academy to learn everything about video editing, graphic design, storytelling, and Facebook advertising. Imagine having a skill and you have to show it to a lot of people so that they can see it and buy from you. That is what I do. So you have to join my academy to learn how to do that. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next time. Bye.